Namaskar. Back stiffness affects everyone these days, elderly as well as youngsters. People spend majority of their time working on computer or laptop, sitting for a long time with their neck bent for extended period of time or their back arched is creating problem. They slouch on sofa or chair while watching TV or while studying. Poor postural habits are the major cause of stiff back. A stiff back can impact your day-to-day activities. If person continues with his stiff back, then what would be the next step? Slip disc or major back pains. Yoga asanas are effective techniques in bringing flexibility to neck as well as to your back. It really helps strengthening the back muscle. Today, we will talk about 5 main asanas which would help you to remove the stiffness and prevent all the problems of backaches. Number 1, Paschimottanasana. Understand how to do first. Sit on the mat. Extend your legs straight, toes facing upwards at the ceiling. Maintain an erect posture. Sit straight, head straight, neck straight, and look straight in front. Keep your hands relaxed beside body and palm facing downwards. While inhaling, lean backwards, fold your elbows, keep your both palms facing downwards. Your elbows should not be pointed sideways, rather they should be pointed backwards. While exhaling, bend forward, stretching your arms towards your toes. Try to hold your toes and then try to bend your head down to touch your head towards your knee. Stay in this posture for 6 seconds while suspending your breath. Now slowly inhale and come back to your starting position. Do this 5 times. If this is difficult because the stomach is protruding out, then spread your legs apart and do the same with each leg. Paschimottanasana is an excellent forward bending asana. This gives intense stretch to the spine and brings flexibility. It also helps correcting the minor deformity, actually curvature of spine. It improves circulation of arteries and veins. Make sure that we don't hunch while bending down. Keep your spine straight while bending forward. Paschimottanasana should be done in 2 ways. Stepwise, we have to progress. First, keep your spine straight and try to bend as far as possible, keeping your arms even beyond your toe. Second, once you are comfortable in this, then hold your toe, bend your elbows, try and touch your elbows to the ground and try and touch your head to your knee. Now this is a nice curve to your spine. It really helps stretching your entire spine beautifully. Second asana, Haspadangusthasana, window variation. Stand straight, keep at least 2 feet away from window wall and then try and lift your right leg and put it on the window pane. While lifting your leg up, you inhale. Slowly bend forward and try to touch your toe. Don't arch your back. Keep your neck and back lengthened while touching your toe. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and come back to your normal position. Repeat the same with your left leg. Repeat this 5 times. Haspadangusthasana helps to strengthen your arm muscles, leg muscles, and the back muscles. These simple variation on window helps to loosen the tight back muscles very easily and really helps relieving tension. It will not give any pressure on your back as well as leg. Third, Janu Shirshasana. Sit with your spine straight on mat. Slowly stretch your right leg in front of you. Fold your left leg and try to place the sole against your right thigh. Inhale and stretch your both hands up, and while exhaling, bend forward to touch your toe and bend as far as possible. Try to touch your head on your right knee. Come up gently while breathing in and then rotate your hands from side downwards. Here, try and exhale fully. Repeat with the left leg now and do the cycle 5 times. Janu Shirshasana is an excellent asana which very relaxedly helps relaxing the back muscles, stretches the back muscles and strengthens the back muscles. It helps bringing suppleness to your spine. Fourth, Pavan Muktasana, lying down variation. Lie on your back with legs stretched straight. Now bend your knees and bring the feet close to your hips. Lift one leg and cross it over the other, keeping your knee bent. Your ankle should rest on the thigh just above your opposite knee. Clasp your hands together around your knee and gently pull to raise your knee and foot off the floor. Pull your knee towards your body as far as you are comfortable and feel the stretch. Do this cycle 5 to 7 times. This lying down variation of Pavan Muktasana will help provide a quick relief from stiff back and even painful back. It will also provide excellent stretch to your lower back and hamstring muscles and relieve the tension accumulated in those areas. Fifth asana, Marjarasana, cat-cow pose. Understand how to do. Get down on your knees and place your both palms in front. Your palms should be parallel to your knees on the floor. Check that your back is not arched and that is in the neutral position. Make sure that your wrists are aligned with the shoulder and your knees are aligned with your hips. Now, taking a deep breath in, slowly arch your back and look up at the sky. Slowly counterpose this with the cat pose. While exhaling, pull your abdomen in and roll your back. Touch your chin towards your chest. Repeat 4-5 times, that is looking up, looking down. Repeat it 4-5 times and then come back to your normal position. Marjarasana is known for its benefits for the back. This asana not only just gives stretch to neck, shoulders and back, but also relieves stiffness instantly. Regular practice of this asana would help to strengthen and tone the muscles of the spine. Nowadays, young people are developing stiff back because of their stressful schedule and their lifestyle. Whether you have a stiff back once in a while or quite often, it's very important to pay attention to your body and take prompt action to relieve stiffness. So, practice these 5 asanas regularly to prevent stiff back, to prevent pains and aches on neck, back and lower back. Avoid all the pains because that would disturb your working condition, that would disturb your capacity to move ahead in life. So take care of yourself and be pain free. Namaskar.